Analyzing Williams Grand Prix Holdings PLC's WGF1 track record of past performance is a valuable exercise for investors. It enables us to reflect on whether or not the company has met expectations, which is a powerful signal for future performance. Today I will assess WGF1's recent performance announced on December 31, 2017 and compare these figures to its long-term trend and industry movements.
Commentary on WGF1's past performance.
I like to use the latest 12-month data, which annualizes the latest 6-month earnings release, or sometimes, the latest annual report is already the most recent financial data. This enables me to analyze various companies on a more comparable basis, using the latest information. For Williams Grand Prix Holdings, its most recent bottom line, trailing 12-month, is UK £14.06 million, which, against the previous year's level, has increased by more than double. Since these figures are relatively short-term thinking, I've calculated an annualized 5-year figure for Williams Grand Prix Holdings' earnings, which stands at UK £1.49 million. This shows that, generally, Williams Grand Prix Holdings has been able to gradually grow its net income over the past couple of years as well. What's enabled this growth? Well, let's take a look at whether it is merely a result of an industry uplift, or if Williams Grand Prix Holdings has experienced some company-specific growth. In the last few years, Williams Grand Prix Holdings' top-line expansion has outstripped earnings and the growth rate of expenses. Though this has led to a margin contraction, it has softened Williams Grand Prix Holdings' earnings contraction. Scanning growth from a sector level, the media industry has been growing its average earnings by double-digit 19.03% over the prior 12 months, and a more subdued 8.77% over the past half a decade. This suggests that any uplift the industry is deriving benefit from, Williams Grand Prix Holdings is capable of leveraging this to its advantage.
Williams Grand Prix Holdings' track record can be a valuable insight into its earnings performance, but it certainly doesn't tell the whole story. While Williams Grand Prix Holdings has a good historical track record with positive growth and profitability, there's no certainty that this will extrapolate into the future. You should continue to research Williams Grand Prix Holdings to get a better picture of the stock by looking at
financial health. Is WGF1's operations financially sustainable? Balance sheets can be hard to analyze, which is why we've done it for you. Check out our financial health checks here.
Valuation. What is WGF1 worth today? Is the stock undervalued, even when its growth outlook is factored into its intrinsic value? The intrinsic value infographic in our free research report helps visualize whether WGF1 is currently mispriced by the market.
Other high-performing stocks. Are there other stocks that provide better prospects with proven track records? Explore our free list of these great stocks here.
And B. Figures in this article are calculated using data from the trailing 12 months from December 31, 2017. This may not be consistent with full-year annual report figures.
How is Warren Buffett's advice working out for Bill Gates?
Bill Gates dropped out of college to found Microsoft. He's a prodigy who has become one of the richest men in the world. But when it comes to the stock market, he follows the advice of billionaire investor Warren Buffett. So what stocks is he holding today? Click here to view a free detailed infographic analysis of Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation's portfolio.